Hey everybody, this is the Hawk's Den. This is gonna be an unboxing video. Did a order from netbug, and I got three tarantulas, 2 new worlds, and my very first old world species. So this is gonna be a rather intense video, because even though I've done my research on most of these guys and have seen what they're capable of in other videos from my fellow YouTubers in the tarantula keeper community, I don't know what to expect from these things. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, here we go. Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna put this over here. Oh boy, here we go. Holy shit, the thing is big. Okay. Oh man. That's a big one. Hopefully I can get it to go in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tilt this here. Oh god, that was not part of the plan. Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab something a little bit smaller. Holy fuck. Oh god. Man. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this and just tilt it to the side and... Okay. I'm gonna try and coax it out of there. You know what? I'm actually gonna grab the vial from here. Sheesh, you a big one. Woo, woo, woo! Holy shit! Oh man. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the tongs real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Sorry guys, that was probably a little unnecessary, but you know what? This is my first time dealing with these things. Whoa.
What happened?
Nothing.
Why'd you scream like that? Where is it? Where?
Right there.
Eh.
So get back.
Eh.
Holy shit. I didn't think this thing was that big. I'll give you guys a quick look real quick. Oh man, my heart's racing. Woo! Oh man, my heart is racing. Whew. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna take this little deli cup here and I'm gonna try and at least the stuff is working. I'm gonna try and go in there. Go in there. Please, just go in there. Just go in the damn thing. God, you're fucking huge. Alright. Woo! 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 Holy smokes. Almost died. Oh man. I just had a mini heart attack, guys. Whew. Okay. Okay, it's going in its little burrow. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it that well, but it is in its little burrow. It's probably just as scared as I am. Man. Holy smokes. But yeah, that's my chestnut baboon. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this part of the video real quick and carry on. Alright guys, I was able to get a hold of some substrate. I just borrowed a little bit of substrate from most of my other invertebrates without getting bit or stung. Didn't want to do that, but I don't want these little guys to be in these little vials for too long than they already have. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on rehousing these guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and rehouse the Alpanopalma hetzi, and hopefully this little guy will give me as much trouble as the other one, or at least I'm hoping. No, that's going the wrong way there, buddy. Come on, work with me here. Sorry. Whoops. But there you go. Home sweet home. See, that wasn't so hard. Or I should probably just spritz. I should have done this before I rehoused it. There we go. It has a little bit of water to drink. But that is my Oklahoma or Texas brown. If any of you guys can tell me like which scientific name is better, let me know. Or if it doesn't matter. So I'm going to put this to the side and move on to the next one. Alright. Next one is going to be the Alpanopalma calcodes. I think that's what this species is. I don't know. Guess I'm about to find out. Oh, another small one. Okay. Oh, it's already coming out. There you go. I'll go ahead and spray the side real quick. Well, I'm not going to spray that side. Alright, there we go. That's sling number 3 done. Alright, and finally the last one, the Alpanopalma simani blue form. So, yeah, everybody else is pretty damn small except for the baboon that I got. Oh shit. No. Please be nice. Please be nice. Don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Oh my god, this thing is on my hand. This thing is on my hand. Oh shit. Go in the burrow. Go in the enclosure. There you go. Holy smokes, that scared me for a second. That was the first time actually one of those tarantulas was on my finger. Woo! That was a little nerve-wracking. Alright. Put that up there so I know which one is which. Well, that was the unboxing video for today. I'm still waiting for my second shipment to arrive, which is really nothing special in there. It just feeder bugs and substrate that I could have used, but you never win. But yeah, that was my first time working with a old world species. Oh man, shoot. I thought the old worlds were bad from what I've seen in everyone else's videos, and plus I was a little ill prepared and did not expect that thing to be that opportunistic to where it climbed up my tongs, literally to the point that I literally have to change my strategy when it comes to transferring these animals, because my normal method is okay with the new worlds, because the new worlds are a lot more calmer, a lot more docile, and you know, they don't freak out. Shoot, the Tanzanian chestnut baboon was running like a bat out of hell, and it's still in its little burrow, in that little position where, you know, they're scared. And actually the Epinopelma simani blue, like, that one was the first transfer that I actually had a tarantula climb up on my hand. I don't know if you guys saw it. Probably not. But it didn't bite me. It was completely calm. I was a little freaked out because I was still a little out of it from dealing with the chestnut baboon. But shoot, I think that's the only new old world that I'm going to be getting. I'm probably not going to be messing with those anytime soon. Like, I don't know, but I guess it gave me some experience, because these things are no joke. That thing could have gotten a hold of me and could have bit me and sent me straight to the hospital, or I would have been in pain, and I can't afford that. But it's a pretty tarantula. It's gonna be interesting to see what it does to its enclosure, because I think I gave it a proper burrow. You couldn't really see that well, but what else is new? But yeah, that was pretty much it. I was not expecting the fourth tarantula. I guess, it's kind of funny. I was gonna get a Ceratogyrus darlingii, but Anastasia ran out of them, so I went like, could I get a refund or could I get another tarantula? And she pretty much told me I could pick whatever I wanted as long as it was around 25 bucks or $5 more. And I saw the Tanzanian chestnut baboon. I went like, I'll pick this. So the fourth tarantula that I got, which I'm going to assume it's the Epinopelma chalcodes. I already have one, but couldn't hurt to get another one. So hey, I got a freebie. And it makes up for losing my Nondrochromatus, which I'm very sad. So, shoot, I don't know. And I was going to go to another shop called Pinchers and Pokies. It's been a while since I bought from there, but I saw a bunch of invertebrates that were at a decent price. But when I get the chance, I will buy those and do another unboxing videos. And shoot, you guys will probably get a good laugh with me unboxing the old world, because shoot, that thing gave me a mini heart attack. I kid you not. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video off here, and I'll see you guys next time. This is the Hawksden signing off, and y'all have a good day. Bye.